Hey Dermstore followers, my name is Sophia and I'm a social media strategist here at Dermstore. And I'm here today to talk to you guys about my low maintenance skincare routine. And by that I pretty much just mean when I'm feeling lazy. I'm on the go a lot and it's really hard for me to get my full 10-step routine in every day. And to be honest, I found myself falling back on this routine more often than not. So every morning, I start my routine with the Is Clinical Cleansing Complex. This is an amazing cleanser because it combines a bunch of steps in one. It deeply cleanses my skin, it has gentle exfoliation, and it tones, which, helps me prep my skin for the rest of my routine. I suffered a lot of acne over the summer and I'm still trying to prevent breakouts and heal acne scars, so the white willow bark extract in this cleanser is amazing. It's a natural form of salicylic acid and it just really gently helps treat my acne. It's also chock full of antioxidants and it has sugar-derived glycolic acid, which is great for exfoliation. And then also vitamins A, C, and E, which are pretty potent ingredients to help with anti-aging and just general skin health. My second step in my morning routine is an antioxidant serum, which is super essential. And I love the Dr. Dennis Gross C+ Collagen Serum. It has 3 different types of vitamin C, so I really feel like it's penetrating deeply into my skin. And an antioxidant serum is a step that you can't really simplify or sacrifice because, I live in Los Angeles and we have so many environmental aggressors that are constantly affecting my skin, whether it's smog or the sun. I definitely need all the antioxidant protection I can get. And I feel like this product really does that for me. The third step and last step in my morning routine is the Ultra Repair Tinted Moisturizer from First Aid Beauty. I wear it in the fair tone, which is their lightest, but they have 4 other shades that, just find the one that works for you. This product combines so many steps, so I'm very grateful to it. It moisturizes my skin, and it also has SPF 30, which, not having to put on an extra step for SPF is amazing. I love having, my sunscreen kind of mixed into my other products. It's also tinted, and it definitely gives me enough coverage to, rock the no makeup look, but if I'm feeling a little bit more like doing a full face, it's definitely a great primer. I can put on anything over it, and it works wonderfully. So that's my morning routine. It's literally 3 steps, so easy. And then moving on to my nighttime routine, I also start again with this Clinical Cleansing Complex because it's like a triple threat and I really feel like it works for me. So about 2 to 3 times a week, I feel like I need a little bit more of a physical exfoliant. So I opt for the Boscia Konjac sponge, and this one's infused with red clay, so it imparts a little bit more hydration as I'm cleansing my skin. I love this sponge, but some people like a different type of physical exfoliation, so you could either use a cleansing device or a scrub, just find what works for you. Then my next step in my evening routine is the Peter Thomas Roth Retinol Fusion PM. It's an eye cream, and I feel like this is another step that you can't really simplify or sacrifice because if I don't use an eye cream, I wake up in the morning so puffy that I can barely open my eyes, and no one wants to see that. So I love this product. It has 1% retinol, which I know kind of sounds like a lot, but I'm trying to fend off crow's feet for as long as possible, so I'm all for it. And then it also has caffeine, which targets my puffiness. And then it also has shea butter, which imparts so much deep hydration that also helps fend off fine lines and wrinkles. Then my final step in my evening routine is from Eminence Organics. It's the Jasmine Tangerine Age Defying Night Cream. Let me just tell you, the first time I tried this, I was like, whoa, it totally smells like jasmine and tangerine. So it's total aromatherapy as I'm putting my skincare on, and I'm all for that. So one thing that I'm really looking for in a night cream is preventative anti-aging skincare, and this has some great potent anti-aging ingredients. So first and foremost, it has grapeseed oil, which is a natural derivative of resveratrol. Super great for anti-aging. Then also it has bamboo extract, which is a natural form of vitamin A, and it just really helps to regenerate my skin as I'm sleeping. Then it also has just a ton of soothing botanicals, and it smells amazing. So this is my lazy girl skincare routine. It's 6 simple steps, and it definitely took me a lot of time and research to find what works for me. So if you're still working on your skin journey and have any questions, definitely leave a comment below and one of our skin experts will reach out as soon as possible. Thank you so much for listening and have a good one.